Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly click on the subscribe button, like my video and share. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Guys, this is the hair brought from a customer for revamping. I am making this video so I can show you guys how you can handle different types of hair when revamping. These are the things you may need it for your revamping: your shampoo, your conditioner, and your heat protector. Guys, I would recommend you use a very good shampoo and conditioner. I'm washing it in a bowl because I want to make a video because of the lightning outside. So first thing, you add your shampoo in the bowl, then you add your heat protector because we'll be adding a very hot water at boiling point. You add the hot water in it, then you stir very well till it's all dissolved, and then you can go ahead with the wigs. Normally I do wig my hair before revamping, but this customer's hair has to be delivered in a very short time, so I don't really have enough time. After washing and drying, then I'll go ahead and wig, style, and just send it to her. Allow the hair stay in the hot water for like an hour before bringing it out. You can see this, look at how the water looks like, very dirty. This is the first step. Now we are going to the second step. Get a clean water. This is a cold water, not as hot as the other one. A cold water, and then go ahead with your normal washing. I'll be using my shampoo to wash. Make sure you wash thoroughly, very well. I started with a coily hair. You can see this coily hair. I didn't rough handle it. You make sure you take a very good care of your hair. Like, be very focused and patient when washing. Do not just wash anyhow. Do not rough handle the hair. Massage it. You massage, you don't rough it. You massage it and bring out the dirt on it. And this is the closure. Just be massaging the closure as well and rinse it off. Then you take off the water, get another water for another hair. These are the straight hair. You don't rough it, you also massage and just use a hand to bring it down carefully like that. I'll be doing this washing process twice for all the hair, and generally that makes it 3 times, once for the hot water and 2 times for the cold water. It is very good for you to wash your hair with shampoo very well. When doing revamping, it will remove the excess dirt and products sticking on the hair. Next is conditioning. This hair is already looking so clean because of the way I washed it. Now we are going on to conditioning. You had your conditioner, you massage very well with the conditioner, then you use a wide tooth comb to comb it out, just as seen in this video. Use the wide tooth comb to comb it out. If there's any part you feel is still hard to comb, just add conditioner, massage it and comb it out. Conditioner makes it soft and make it easy for you to comb out and reduce the way the hair will cut while washing. At times it won't even cut at all if you wash it carefully. Then after combing, use a brush to brush it out. That's for the straight hair. Then put it inside a nylon, a polythene bag, a Ziploc bag, anyone, just put it inside a nylon bag. I'll be doing that for the other straight hair. Now we have the coily hair here. This is how you wash your curly hair. Add a conditioner very well. Curly hair needs lots of conditioner. Add the conditioner very well and use your hand to detangle. Use your hand to detangle. Then put it in a polythene bag, Ziploc bag, any bag. Just put it in a nylon texture bag. Do that for all the curly hair. Any curly hair, just use your hand to detangle. Do not brush. Though it depends on the type of curly hair, but this particular curly hair, do not brush. Use your hand to detangle. Use your hand to comb it out. Do not even comb, just use your hand to massage and comb it out like that. It will come out really nice. It's already getting so late here, so I'll just try to round everything up on time and leave it in the Ziploc bag overnight. Then tomorrow morning I'll continue with the video. Now it's morning and basically I've kept this hair for about 12 hours with conditioner and other revamping products on it. I didn't show that in the previous video because it is for advanced revamping. So if you want me to make a video on advanced revamping, click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and come to the comment section below and tell me you want me to make a video on advanced revamping. So I'll just be rinsing the hair, nothing much, just rinse it like 3 times and you're good to go. Do that for all the hair, just rinse it out very well for like 3 times. Then you dry it and let it dry like that. Do not blow dry, guys. Do not blow dry. Let it dry naturally. Do not blow dry. You just spread it somewhere, hang it somewhere, let it dry naturally. You can just put it where there is sunlight. That is better. Do not blow dry, guys. It's wigging time, but before I start wigging, I have to join the weave because the client brought it in pieces, very little pieces. So I have to join it together to make it easier for me to wig the hair. So that is what I'll be doing here, joining the weave together. Here I'll be fitting the cap and marking it out. First of all, I'll be pinning it down at the back. Then I'll be adjusting the cap to a fitting look so it won't be too big on the client's head. Now after adjusting it, I'll be tacking the excess that was adjusted. And that is what I'm doing here. Then I will start the marking out, starting with the closure. I'm going to be pinning the closure down to mark out the shape of the closure on the cap. Then I'll be putting my tape backward to mark out the inches I want to use it to sew. So this is the gap I am using. That's the inches. This is half inches. Then I'll be marking it out straight. Now I'll be sewing the weave on the cap. I'm done sewing, so now I'll be going ahead to straightening the hair. First of all, I'll be applying a heat protector on the hair before using my straightener on it. That is done, so I'll be applying same process to the rest of the straight hair. I'm done wigging this curly hair, so it's a curly hair. I'll just be putting water. It's a very good quality hair though, so it doesn't require much treatment application. So I'll be putting just water on it and use my hand to comb it out. So these are the before straightening and after straightening videos, not really much. And it's ready to be delivered. Thank you for watching my video. If you find this helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel for more tips, and don't forget to like and comment on my video. I love you guys. Bye.